Today we're going to be making an all-natural toothpaste. So the things you're going to need is a half a cup of coconut oil, 3 tablespoons of baking soda, 2 to 3 tablespoons of xylitol or stevia. I'm going to be using xylitol today. You're also going to need a jar or container for your toothpaste. I really like to use these little mason jars. I think they look super cute. You're also going to need a spatula and a bowl to mix things in, and some essential oil. I'm going to be using peppermint today. I think that's a nice classic flavor for toothpaste. My family and I really like it, but you can use whichever flavor or scent that you like. Alright, let's get started. First thing you're going to want to do is you're going to heat up your stove and you're going to take a pot of water and heat that water up. We're going to use this to melt the coconut oil, and the reason you want to melt the coconut oil is it's just going to make it easier to mix in with the xylitol. You can use room temperature coconut oil, however it just doesn't have as good of a sweetness or a texture to it because the xylitol doesn't really get incorporated as well. Now if you don't know what xylitol is, it's just a natural sweetener that comes from the birch tree. It's lower calories than sugar, but it also is really good for your teeth. It kills that bad bacteria that causes gingivitis, bad breath, and also some of the bacteria that can cause ear infections. Now back to the coconut oil, you're just going to want to flatten that down a little bit so it melts kind of faster, and then you're just going to let it do its own thing. Go ahead and give it a little stir. Alright, now that that's all nice and melted, you're just going to take that out of the water, put it to the side. And now that it's cooled down just a little bit, you're going to take your xylitol or stevia if you're using it, pour it into your bowl. And then you're going to take your melted coconut oil and then just pour it into that same bowl, mixing with the xylitol. Now once that's all nice and mixed, you're just going to set it to the side and let it cool down for a little bit. So now we just wait. Alright, that's nice and cooled down, so you're going to want to give it a little bit of a mix, make sure that it's still incorporated. Go ahead and add your essential oils. I used about 25 drops of peppermint, but that's up to you. You can use less or more, whichever makes you happier, I guess. Alright, after that's cooled for just a little bit, you're going to go ahead and mix it again, make sure nice and incorporated, and then go ahead and add your baking soda into there. Alright, once that's nice and mixed together, you're just going to take your jar and pour your toothpaste mixture into there. Alright, and now you're just going to put your top on, let this harden at room temperature, and that's it, you guys. You made your very own toothpaste. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, check out our other videos, and I will see you next week.